Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are discussing the key point of the chapter probability. The probability P of E, represented by P of E, probability of E, is defined as P of E is equal to number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment, given experiment. This is the main formula of a probability of this chapter. Next, the probability of a sure or certain event is always 1. The probability of an impossible, which is not possible, of a given event will be 0. The probability of an event E is a number of P of E such that there will be in this probability of an event, it is less than or greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 1, which it should be present in between this 0 and 1. An event having only one outcome is called an elementary event. If the event having only one outcomes, okay, then that is called as elementary event. The sum of all these probabilities of this elementary means that will be 1. The event of an experiment will 1. For any event E, P of E dash plus P of E is equal to 1, where E dash stands for not E. Okay, it will be not E, and E dash are called, they are complementary. Okay, completely opposite complementary events. I hope you understood this key point. If you have any doubts of this probability, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.